shark for you. Mommy, I have a shark on my window.
Get up. Get out of there, Jahiery. Put her window up. Hold on.
Put it up.
You got her?
Yeah, I got her.
Don't put that window down. Peanut, sit back in your seat.
Mommy, can we go to McDonald's?
No,
church?
not today.
Mommy, can we go to church?
No, we're not going to church right now. Church is closed. Oh, gosh. Keep spitting, Jahiery. Keep spitting on people. Stop. You know what?
That's not nice. That's not nice.
You stop spitting, Jahiery.
Shut up, Mommy.
You don't spit on people.
Shut up, bitch.
Peanut, sit back.
Shut up, bitch. I'm good for bitches. Oh, but I want to go to. Mommy, can we go to the beach?
The beach is closed.
Hey, bitch. Shut up, you fucking bitch, Mommy. You always say how wherever. We're bitches. No. Mommy, I want pizza. Mommy, I want pizza.
We cooking at home today.
Pizza, 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 pizza.
We're cooking at home.
Mommy, please.
We're cooking at home today. We're not eating pizza.
Mommy. Mommy, what's that water? The alligators? Oh. What? You back there?
Jahiery, you need to be sitting in your seat. I don't know why you keep taking your seatbelt off.
Right there? Hey, Mommy, are you right there? Mommy, you forgot to put your seatbelt on.
I need to get a
Mommy, you
a special
forgot to
seatbelt
put
though.
your
A seatbelt that she can't get out of because they sell it back online. Where I could lock it in because she just keep getting out. One that she can't they got the ones I seen them online that lock piece down there, she can't take it off because she's being very unsafe.
She needs something with her body because she heavy.
Yeah, and it's like something is wrong because she's going right back to like she started getting a little better. And now all of a sudden she's starting to get all that spitting and all those behaviors is coming right back. She was getting better. In her mouth. Like, I don't understand. Stop throwing stuff, Jahiery.
It wasn't me, Mommy. Mommy, you ruined my dress. Mommy, I want to go to the playground.
No, but that's it on.
Mommy, I want to go to the playground.
No playground today.
I want to go to my teacher.
Okay. Who is your teacher?
Miss Jessica.
Miss Jessica, the Y is closed today.
I want to go to Miss Jessica.
Okay.